In lecture number 2, we do some practice question on the classification of polymer. First question comes in the 2018. Which one of the following polymer occur naturally? Bakelite. Bakelite is the trade name of the phenol formaldehyde, which are the synthetic polymer. Teflon is also the trade name of the polytetrafluoroethylene, which are the synthetic polymer. Cellulose is the naturally occurred, so this is comes under the natural polymer. The option C is correct. The perfects. This is the trade name of the polymethyl methacrylate, which are also synthetic polymer. So option C is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following polymer is water soluble polymer? Option A, polyethylene. Polyethylene is a synthetic polymer which are the not a water soluble polymer. Similarly, polystyrene is the trade name of the polystyrene, which are also not a water soluble. Rayon is the trade name of the cellulose acetate, which are also not a water soluble polymer. Polyvinyl alcohol is the water soluble polymer. So option D is correct. Number 3. Which of the following is a copolymer? This is the MSQ type of question, that means more than one option may be correct. These are the types of the polyethylene: LLDP, then HDPE and LDPE. Both are the homopolymer, and LLDPE and VLDPE. These both are the copolymer, and their monomer are ethylene and alpha olefin. That means butene 1, hexene 1, octene 1. These are the co-monomer of LLDP and VLDP. So option A and D are correct. HIPS is which type of the copolymer? HIPS, high impact polystyrene, is the copolymer of the butadiene and styrene. So the HIPS is a graft copolymer. So the option D is correct. The you know that the polystyrene is brittle polymer. To reduce the brittleness of the polystyrene is the copolymerized with butadiene. Butadiene help to improve their impact strength. Number 5. Which of the following is the type of block copolymer? HIPS is the graft copolymer. Nylon 66 is a polyamide 66, also known as the nylon 66, is alternate copolymer. Styrene acrylonitrile is a random copolymer. So option D is correct. This is the styrene maleic acid. Question number 6. Which of the following pair is a graft copolymer? Then you know that HIPS is the graft copolymer, but nitrile rubber is random copolymer. SAN is also random copolymer, and HIPS is graft copolymer. SAN is a random copolymer and ABS is also random copolymer. So HIPS is the graft and polyethylene oxide acrylate is also graft. So the correct pair is D. Both polymer are the graft copolymer. 7. Elastomer are the characterized by. In order to first understand the elastomer, you see the live example is rubber. When we apply the some very small force, the rubber will extended more. So the stress strain diagram of elastomer, you can see their modulus is also very low and elongation is high compared to these are the plastic have the modulus of the plastic is high and their elongation is also low compared to the elastomer. So the elastomer characterized by low modulus and high elongation. So correct option is C, low modulus and high elongation. Teflon and bakelite are the example of option A given that thermosetting and thermoplast. First, Teflon is the trade name of the PTFE, which are thermoplastic polymer, and bakelite is the trade name of the phenol formaldehyde, which are the thermosetting polymer. So the first option thermosetting, Teflon is the thermoplastic, so option A is the cancel out. Option B, Teflon is a thermoplastic, so and bakelite is the thermosetting, so option B is correct. Question number 9. The biodegradable polymer among following is are. This is the MSQ type of the question. Maybe one or more option are correct. The PLA, the polylactic acid is the biodegradable polymer, so option A is the correct. Polystyrene is the not a biodegradable polymer, so option B is incorrect. The PBT, polybutylene terephthalate is also a thermoplastic polymer, which are not a biodegradable polymer, so option C is incorrect. And option D, polyhydroxybutyrate is the biodegradable polymer, so option D is correct. So E and D are the correct answer. Question number 10. For the biodegradable polymer, first no, very low and high molar mass is easy to the biodegradation. Molar mass does not influence the biodegradation. The higher molar mass more difficult in the biodegradation, and lower molar mass more difficult in the degradation. First no, if increasing the molar mass of the biodegradable polymer, their degradation behavior is decreases. So remember this for the biodegradable polymer. Increasing the molar mass of the biodegradable polymer, their degradation behavior will be reduces. The option, the checking the option. After the checking the option, we see the higher the molar mass are the more difficult in the degradation. So C is the correct. Very low and high molar mass is easy to the degradation. Very low molar mass is easy to the degrade, but high are not. So option A is cancel out. Molar mass does not influence the biodegradation. You can see the increasing the molar mass of the polymer, degradation behavior reduces, so this option is also incorrect. And lower molar mass more difficult in the degradation, this is also incorrect, so option C is correct. Number 11. In a three-dimensional molecules with the cross link are the form in the case of the thermo. The three-dimensional cross linking only form in the thermosetting polymer, so option B is correct. Question number 12. The bakelite and plascon are the example of respectively. The bakelite is the trade name of the phenol formaldehyde, which are thermosetting polymer, and plascon is also the trade name of the urea formaldehyde, which is also a thermosetting polymer. So option A given thermosetting and thermoplast cancel out, both are the thermosetting. Option B is also cancel out, so option C is correct. Both are thermosetting polymer. Among the following, select a plastic which molded ones cannot be softened by heating. This is the MSQ question. That means more than one option may be correct. You know that the thermosetting polymer, after heating, it become infusible mass due to 3D network by cross-linking. So the thermosetting polymer cannot be softened by the reheating. So in the given option, epoxy is the thermosetting polymer, PVC is the thermoplastic polymer, polypropylene PP is the thermoplastic polymer, and PF resin is also thermosetting polymer. So option A and B are correct. A and D are correct. Question number 14. Which of the following polymer occur naturally? Option A, starch is a natural polymer, but PVC is a synthetic polymer. Nylon is a synthetic polymer, and polyethylene is also synthetic polymer. So option A is cancel out. Option B is incorrect. DNA is the natural polymer, and cellulose is also natural polymer. So option C is correct. In D, cotton is a natural polymer, but polypropylene is a synthetic polymer. So D is also cancel out. C is correct. Question number 15. Which of the following polymer is or not a thermoplastic? This is the MSQ question. That means more than one option is correct. The polyamide is also known as the nylon, and this is thermoplast polymer. Teflon is the trade name of the PTFE, which is also a thermoplast polymer. Epoxy and UF resin both are the thermosetting polymer. So in the question given that not a thermoplast, so C and D, not a thermoplast, this both polymer is the thermosetting polymer. So option C and D is correct. Question number 16. Which of the following category does nitrocellulose fall into? Option A given that natural polymer, B is given that semi-synthetic polymer, C given that synthetic polymer, and D given that biodegradable polymer. 17. Which of the following is a water-soluble polymer? First given that this structure, B, C and D. And question number 18. Which of the following biodegradable polyester is a synthetic and renewable? First given that the PHA, second is the PHB, third is the PLA, and fourth is given that PBAT. Comment the answer of these questions 16, 17 and 18 in the comment box. In the next video I will tell the answer about these. Your comment is very valuable for me, so comment the correct answer with explanation.